It's time to count your chickens. Get insight into your whole GI book in order to nurture your GI business. My GI book gives you an overview of all your clients, new or old. From the dashboard, you can head straight to your GI book to view all the live policies you have. Here, you're able to see information about each policy, such as client name and policy number. Plus, there's extra info if you need it, giving you complete visibility of your Paymentshield GI book. Pending policies will help you review those where you need a bit more information to get the policy started. And to see which of your clients are due to renew, have a look in the Renewals section. Here you can see what they're currently paying, what their new premium will be, and which of our cherry-picked insurers will be underwriting the policy. This info gives you a great opportunity to call your client to review their insurance and all their finances. Cancellations show you the reason why your client has cancelled their policy, so you can weigh up who to get back in touch with to make sure they still have adequate cover in place and potentially win back lost business. Hopefully, by reviewing your renewals, you can hang on to more customers and continue to grow your GI book. All of your GI book screens have easy-to-use filters to help you hone in on the information you need. And the pop-up screens on each section make all details super accessible, giving you great insight into your GI business. Now, don't you feel like a clever chick? Log into Advisor Hub now to view your GI book.